Do you want vibrant, durable designs that look professional on any garment? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply Stahls InkTra Screen Printed transfers step by step so you can get perfect results every time. Stahls InkTra transfers produce high quality, bold designs with excellent durability. They adhere smoothly to a variety of fabric and give your garments a clean, professional finish. They're a premium hot peel, Pantone matched transfer that offer the softest finish on the market. Start by setting your heat press to 160 degrees Celsius. This transfer applies at a medium pressure, which is between a 4 and a 6 on a Hotronix. So make sure your press is set correctly before you start. Next, thread your garment onto the pattern by separating the two layers. Working with a single layer ensures you get nice even pressure. Lay the garment flat and pre-press for 3 seconds, removing any moisture and wrinkles. Place your InkTra transfer on the garment with the texture side down. Position it carefully and use heat tape if needed to prevent it from moving. Because InkTra has a clear carrier, alignment is much easier compared to traditional opaque carrier screen printed transfers. Add a cover sheet. For most fabrics, standard release paper works fine. If your garment is heat sensitive, use a grip flex rubber sheet, but remember to increase the temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius to account for the thicker barrier. Now we're going to press the transfer for 10 seconds. And then peel it hot. And it's as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other heat press tutorials. Get your InkTra screen printed transfers from Stahls UK today.